At Fenner Drives, we supply added value problem-solving products for power transmission, motion transfer, and conveying applications. Our ISO-certified production facilities in Europe and North America have a proven worldwide reputation for quality. We have tough, rugged solutions for all kinds of harsh environments and problem applications. Eagle polyurethane belting, keyless bushings, PowerMax idler pulleys and sprockets, T-Max automatic belt and chain tensioners, and Trackstar UHMW belt and chain guide. But now we'd like to focus on one of our most popular products, high-performance composite V-belts. The family of HPC V-belts includes POWERTWIST Plus V-belts, NuTlink V-belts, and SuperTLink SP wedge belts. These belts are a simple concept that delivers outstanding results. All three are made from high-performance polyurethane elastomers reinforced with multiple plies of polyester fabric that is virtually impervious to harsh operating conditions. Their link-style design means they are essentially self-tensioning and can be made to the required length and installed in minutes without dismantling drive components, maximizing equipment uptime. Retensioning is easy. Simply roll the belt off the drive, remove a link or two, and roll it back onto the drive. The design also minimizes vibration and improves drive component life. POWERTWIST Plus V-belts are a problem-solving alternative to classical section endless rubber V-belts. Classical V sections are available, as well as a variety of derivatives for specific applications. They have a tab link design that can be made to any length by hand and installed without tools. Simply turn tab side out and bend the belt back as far as possible. Then twist a couple of tabs and push them through the slots until the belt can be twisted apart. Use this method to remove as many links as necessary. To assemble the belt again, simply reverse the process. NuTlink V-belts are ideal for heavier shock-loaded applications or reciprocating engine drives and are available in classical V sections. They are easily made to the required length and can be installed without dismantling drive components. Their links are connected with a metal T-stud that stands up to demanding applications. To disassemble, use the tool to turn the stud head 90 degrees. Then insert the other end of the tool between the links and twist. To assemble, snap the last link over stud heads and turn heads 90 degrees to lock into position. SuperTLink SP wedge belts are for drives using metric wedge SP rated belts and are available in standard SP wedge sections. Like NuTlink, they are connected with metal rivets that are easily assembled and disassembled with the provided tool. How much time can you save by switching to HPC V-belts? Let's take a look. First, let's look at a typical rubber belt installation. First, you need to get the tools you need to the proper location, along with at least one replacement V-belt. If the drive location is difficult to access, you may want to bring an assortment of sizes to ensure you have the right one. Remove the broken belt, then find the proper wrench to adjust the motor. The motor has to be moved close enough to allow the V-belt to be slipped on without stretching or forcing it to avoid damaging the internal tension cords. Once the proper belt is on, move the motor until the belt has the proper tension. Then there's just the cleanup. Gather up your tools, extra V-belts, and the broken belt. There's a lot of measuring and adjusting involved to get the right fit and proper installation tension with an endless rubber V-belt, not to mention a lot of tools and mess. Now, the POWERTWIST Plus V-belt. Pretty simple to install, no tools, no mess, and no need to dismantle any of the components. Pull the belt hand tight around the pulleys overlapping 2 links. Count the links and remove the number needed to get the right tension on the belt. Check the instructions included in the box for the formula. Assemble the belt and turn the tabs to the inside. Place the belt on the smaller pulley and roll it onto the larger pulley. The belt will seem tight. That's okay. Check the belt after it runs for 24 hours and make adjustments to the tension if necessary. And with NuTlink or SuperTLink, it's still a clean and simple installation with minimal downtime. Again, position the belt around the pulleys to determine the required length. Remove the necessary number of links to achieve the proper tension. Make the belt endless and roll it onto the drive, starting with the smaller pulley. The tension should be checked after 24 hours of use and periodically after that. HPC V-belts are permanent replacements for conventional rubber V-belts in a wide range of applications. They are durable and long-lasting in harsh environments such as temperature extremes, grease, oil, water, grit, and many chemicals. The link design minimizes drive vibration and noise. POWERTWIST Plus, NuTlink, or SuperTLink V-belts are simple in concept, deliver outstanding performance, and solve many of the field problems traditionally associated with conventional rubber V-belts. Make the switch to HPC V-belts and start saving time, money, and effort right away.